first day at work. I'm dressed up because it's the first time I'll be wearing the uniform, so I just wanted to wear it from home, so that's why I am wearing it from home. I'm almost ready. Almost ready. So I'm just packing my bag. Basically, it's food that's in here. Food and drinks and fruits, and comb if needed. I forgot to buy brush for my hair, so that's what I'm using, and I'm taking this along with me also. Thank God that I bought it when I bought it. I bought it for the winter time. It's a pair of hand gloves. I'm using my back camera, the back camera of my phone, so I'm not seeing myself. So I'm not sure if I'm in focus or I am within range, or you are seeing what I'm doing. That thing used to give me anxiety. Am I doing the right thing? Because I don't want to go ahead and start filming again. So this is the gloves, and I've got my hair pots here. What else? My mask, and yep, they're good.
长得过分美丽，至于我越来越对你过分着迷，对关于当年的不回我的短信，我却以为这次你可能又跟我调情。有很色彩又无聊的晚上，那个晚上我们好像并没有吃晚餐，我说浪漫它只是一种想象，想象什么想象，你都是我想象中的想着你，希望有一点点像时空幻视的不可逆，有几年会将我的问答衣柜跟着你，我和你一样的不是也是。
So it actually snowed overnight. I remember my excitement the first time I was stepping on snow and walking on snow. Oh my God. So I got to this department where I was given my ID card and some information that I need for my first day to get started. I think this is the HR department. This was what my day looked like, mostly. I'm not really tired. Let me not say I'm tired. I just got back from work now. Yeah, today it was cool, it was calm, it was fine, it was okay. Majorly what I did today, by the way, I came back some minutes ago. Majorly what I did today was just induction. Yeah, induction is majorly what I did today, and e-learning. I was practically in front of the computer all day doing my e-learning courses and trainings. So and I'm getting more information about what research is about, how the process goes, how the method goes, and all that. And then there's a new research that is coming up. Yeah, we are starting this week, and I'm on the team, so I'm really so excited to, fully get into research, oh my God, did I even mention that I was in the research? Sorry, I just assumed that I've said it at one point or the other. So the department that I am in right now is the research department. Yeah, the research department. So yep. I'll spend some time in the unit first before I do a sit down video about what it's all about, you know, so that I'll be able to speak from my experience and not just what I read on the internet. So yeah, basically the research department, as the name implies, is a department in the NHS that deals with research, clinical trials and all that. We work 9 to 5. I work 8 to 4 p.m. So it is something that, like, it's a big transition from the shift, you know, working night and all that. Although I can still work, you know, get agency work at any time when I want, but at least I have a steady 8 to 4 job. Like, it is I'm loving it. Then I'll be off on holidays. Like, my holidays will be free and all that. I mean, there are just a lot of things that comes with it that makes me so happy. That was how my first day at work, first day in the NHS, that was how it went. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you are good. I hope you are fine. I hope you are doing well. Happy December and Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.